Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the line command in a depth view and how to draw this drawing and use this circle command and arc and how to take a dimension in a brief description in this tutorial. Okay, so let's start. First of all, first see this. This is the Creo software in this drawer, this drawing. Okay, so open a new window. Okay, and click on the new option. Okay, here new option, and after that one new window is open. This is the new window. In this option we will select the part option. Okay, which option? Part option. Then in this option we will select the part option and then click on the OK button. Yeah, okay. And then if you want to change the part name, change, otherwise it's okay. By default this part name. Okay, after that new window will be open. This is the new window and let's start. After clicking on the sketch, select the plane, then sketch. Okay, if you want to change the display, go to file, option, system color. Here select a dark background, then okay. And if you want to hide this plane, select here and then this way, plane display hide. Okay, and then draw a your see this diagram. First you will see and analyze. This is the all the dimension is 56, here height is 16, overall dimension is 80. Okay, then here through 40 हो जाए. Okay, and then overall circle is radius is 32. Okay, and then inner circle is 22.8, radius is 27.2. okay, this way take a screen shot. Okay, and then start. Okay, first draw the outer, then outer circle. Okay, take a circle here and draw. Outer diameter is 32, radius 32 है. Okay, 74. Okay, then control and then press and then shift. Okay, then once draw another circle here and here, same circle. R is represent for same circle. Okay, same radius. Then this circle is 11.4 radius and dia is 22.4. okay, this way. And then apply the tangent. How to apply the tangent? Select the tangent, control place first, then second, this way circle will do tangent, then apply again first circle and second tangent. Okay, then draw a line. Okay, for here quadrant, this way. And take another circle here this way. Okay, and then all overall dimension is 80. Okay, and then this dimension is a 12. Okay, as per your drawing. Then it's fine. Then you need to draw another circle here. First trim, otherwise first apply 27.2 shift to star to 2. Let's see, 26. Okay, radius take a 27.2. Okay, and then trim this area. Okay, and then also apply a rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, center rectangle, and trim this area. Okay, this way. Here is the 12. Okay, got it. And then width is zoom fit. Okay, then width is 16. Okay. Then apply the normal, then apply the symmetric, first point, second point, then middle. So need to draw a center line. Okay, this way. Then apply again symmetric, first point control press, then second point, then middle button. Okay, this way your symmetric will be applied. Okay, then draw a circle here. Okay, and then trim right here, trim this way. Okay, and then zoom out, and then again trim. Okay, then trim here. Okay, then apply here trim. Okay, then trim, then apply here inside, then here. Okay, you need to apply tangent. Okay, so how to apply tangent? This and that. I think wrong side trim. Here each trim is applied. Okay, and then also you need to trim this way. Okay, and then draw another circle here, and this circle is 22.8. So define this 22.8. Twenty 20.8. Okay, and then draw a center rectangle. Okay, if you need two more dimension center rectangle, then draw here this way. Okay, your work will be lesser. Okay, so you need to define this dimension 4.8. Okay, and then this dimension is also 4.8. Okay, and then overall dimension is 32. So take a 32. Here to here, and 32. And then here apply also 32. And then it's more dimension, so you need to hide. Okay, all hide, and then trim, apply trim. Okay, it's more visible. Then apply trim, delete, then this way. Image applied here. Okay, trim is applied very quietly. Okay, again apply trim, delete segment. Okay, and then delete this one by one. Okay, okay, this way your drawing will be prepared. Okay, here all the dimensions are there. This way you will represent your drawing. Okay, see, if you want to see the dimension, see here. Okay, 12, all the dimensions are aligned. You need to, okay, this way. Arrange the dimension for a visibility purpose. Okay, so your drawing will be completed. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video in Creo